In this video, we're going to take a look at how to get the root of any whole or decimal number. Yeah, so that's it basically. So let's see just a few examples. Like let's get the root of 13. Let's get the root of 13. Now, you just want to write like the split form of root 13. Yeah. So you just think, what is the closest perfect square to root 13? Sorry, to 13 itself. That's 9. Yeah, wonderful. That's root 9. Then plus the remainder. The remainder is 13 minus 9. Yeah, over 2 times root 9. This root 9 here. So that's it. Sorry. So then you begin to wonder that why did I get this 2? Like, where did I get that 2 from? Yeah, that 2 basically is a constant. Yeah, it's a constant. When using this method to get the root of any whole number or decimal number, you have to include it. So it's a constant. You have to bear that in mind. So yeah, that's just it. So let's continue. Root 9 is 3 plus 13 minus 9, that's 4 over 2 times root 9. Root 9 is 3. So this root 9 is 3 times 2, that's 6. That's 6. So 3 plus 4 divided by 6 is 0.666, like that. But basically, we don't focus on that. We just leave our answer to one decimal place. So when using this method, you leave your answer to one decimal place. Yeah, so that's it. And you don't round up. You don't say 0. For example, this case now that we got 0.666, like that. You don't round it up to 0.7. No, you just leave it at 0.6. Yeah, so that's it. Just leave it at 0.6. So that's it. So 3 plus 0.6, you get 3.6. 3.6. That's that. So let's see another example. Yeah, let's see another example. Another example like maybe 112, the root of 112. Root of 112. Just as we did the previous example, you just think, what's the closest perfect square to 112? That's 100. Yeah, then the remainder, 112 minus 100 over 2 times root 100. Then that root 100 is 10 plus 112 minus 100, that's 12 over 2. Root 100 is 10, so 10 times 2, that's 20. So that's 10 plus 12 divided by 20, that's 0.6. Yeah, 0.6. So, but yeah, let me write the 0.6, then I'll tell you something. Basically, to make this thing correct, very correct, and so as to make it always work for any number you put in consideration, anytime you get an exact value like this 0.6 and nothing is at the back here, majorly what you just do is that you reduce it to the decimal number before it. Instead of 0.6, you write 0.5. So maybe tomorrow now you got 0.8, you don't write 0.8, you just write 0.7 instead. Yeah, that's it. So if you get 0.9, you just reduce it to 0.8. So that's it. So that's this one with the 10.5. But what did mean you got something after it? Like that's other one now. Like that. No, you just cut this one off. Then you focus on this. Yeah, you just focus on that. So that's that. Now let's see another example. Let's see something on decimal number now. Maybe like root 37.5. Yeah, root 37.5. Then just think again, what's the closest perfect square to 37.5? That's 36. Wonderful. That's 36. And remember, 37.5 minus 36 over 2 times root 36. Yeah, so root 36 is 6 plus 37.5 minus 6. Sorry, minus 36. That's 1.5. Then root 36 here is 6 times this 2 here times that 2, that's 12. Sorry, that's 12. So 6 plus 1.5 divided by 12, that's 0. Because this one isn't long, the value isn't that long, so let me just write it 0.125. But we aren't focusing on all these ones. Sorry, we aren't focusing on these two. So we just have business with this 0.1. So that's it. So 6 plus 0.1, that's 6.1. So that's the answer. Very correct. So now, let's see another example. Let's see another example. Let's see another example, like another decimal answer like that. Like maybe root let me see. Let's see root of 2 6, something kind of longer now. Like 2 6 265 point 89. So basically just think, sorry, because of space, let's do it beneath, like let's do it below here. So that's it. The closest perfect square to this is 256, without thinking too much. 256, that's the square of 16. So that's it. So then plus the remainder, 265 minus 8 points. Sorry, let me write that 8 well. 8.9 minus 256 over 2 times root 256. Yeah, so that's it. So then you begin to think root 256, no thinking again, sorry. Yeah, root 256, that's 16 plus 265.89 minus 256. Then what do you get like that? You get 9. Sorry, I'm writing 9. Well, 9.89. 9.89 over 32. Over 32. Then when we do that, you get 16 plus 0.3, something like that. It's long, so just, if it isn't long, we would have written everything, but this one is long, so we just focus on our 0.3. So that's it. So 16 plus 0.3, that's 16.3. So yeah, I hope this video has helped you. If so, click on the like button, comment if need be. When you click on the subscribe button, click on the notification button also, so as to get notified anytime we post a wonderful video like this. Then also click on the like button. Thank you very much for watching.